Ha. Okay, so you're going to go open your books and you're going to turn to the page where we stopped on Friday. So we stopped by this page. Everybody go to this page. I'm not going to give you a book. And then you're going to turn the page over. You're going to write 2nd May 2024. And you're going to paste this in your book. Okay? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, Tammy. We'll mark this because we need to do it. Okay? So now, since Tammy's done, I'm going to go over to this page, Tammy. And now I'm going to get a pencil. Be quiet, I'm coming out. Tammy, stand in front, put your book down. Tammy, stop me, I'm coming. Turkish gas. You can stand in that. Now, oh, keep your mouth. Keep your mouth. I'm going to tell the teacher to. And you. Keep your mouth. You're done with your work. You guys stand up. Are you done with it? Yeah. Because you're not done with it. How other. Keep your mouth. Please, what did I say about making noise? I'm gonna take you to the office. Okay. Read that, please. I'm gonna go one by one to my table now. To read for me, please. Okay. So, come here for